Luna, I promise to give to you the best of my life. Promise to trust and respect you as your own person and to realize that your interests, desire, and needs are no less important than my own. I promise to you share with you my time and attention and to bring joy, strength, illumination to our relationship. I promise to you to keep myself open to you, encourage your dream and help shoulder our challenge. I promise to grow along with you, to be willing to face change in order to keep our relation alive and excited. I promise to be your partner and equal in all things. I promise to I love you in good times and in bad completely and forever. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon. Okay. Now, Donna, do you take Norwin as your own husband, submits to him as unto the Lord, and showing respect and reverence to him as the head of the union the rest of your life?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Then turn to him and make this vow. I, according to the word, sabi yung pangalan mo?
Donna Belia Marmon,
According to the word of God,
according to the word of
submit
God,
myself to you.
submit myself to you.
From this moment forward,
From this moment forward,
we shall be one.
we shall be one.
Okay. Pwede mo nang sabihin din.
To my love, Wayne. Today is the day that we have been waiting and praying for. The day in front of you and our loved ones. Together we will be with God and do His will, and that is marriage. Looking back of our journey, every beautiful moment, every milestone, and even the struggles and pain, especially sa Managi Anato in the past 6 years. I realized it was all worth it because it brought me here to this very moment with you. Ginala ko ni mo sa tops kay nag-remember ka nga. Ningon ko ni mo buwan sa gargahan ko muna na satellites. After mga pila ka oras, grabe na din ako daghan na share about sa akong life o kapila tong pagkawala ni Papa. Then ikaw, nagpahiyom na kang naminaw. That was the time, in a very long time, I felt heard. I felt the comfort, and that was the first I truly felt alive again after pagkabantayin ni Papa. For the longest time, mixed emotions akong nabati at the time. And then you came out of nowhere. I believe God knew exactly what I needed, and it was you showed me how to live again. And I know, nalipay si Papa sa langit for sure. Kaya ikaw akong napakaslan o nakakita ko partner nga mapinanggaon dili lang kay nako kundi pati sa akong pamilya. Pareha sa iyang pagpangga niya na mo. You're so gentle with me. You're passionate in everything you do. You're loving and kind, and I'm so blessed to have you. I promise to be more patient, just like you're always ask nga permitas o na kong pasensya. Char. I promise to stand by your side as your partner and your biggest fan. I promise to respect you, love through high and low. Most of all, I promise my very best to be the wife and one of the mother of our children that you and our future family deserve. Wala na ni atratsan pa. I can't wait to build everything we've ever dreamed of together. I love you.